I'm excited to present the assignment I have created, which showcases my skills in building an automated email reply system using the Gmail API and Node.js. This project demonstrates my ability to design a robust and efficient system for managing emails, reply to them, replying to them, and ensuring that users receive timely responses. I've created I've organized this project into neat separate modules for clarity and easy maintenance. So come with me as I walk you through this app, how it is works. So I will walk you through the project structure and how it is organized into different modules. As you can see, we have a few files and folders here. To start, I initiated this project using npm init.y to set up the package.json, which keeps track of our project's dependencies. Speaking of dependencies, I've already installed the necessary ones, such as Express Google APIs, which we will use to interact with email. For added security, I have created a .env file to store sensitive information like client secret, client ID, redirect URI, and refresh token. This way, we can keep this information separate from our code. Now, our main entry point is index.js, where I've set up the Express server. This is where the magic begins, as we will handle routing and interact with the email Gmail API. Next, we have email checker, which is a crucial module. It's responsible for checking emails and sending automated replies using the Gmail API. This separation of concerns makes our code more organized and easier to maintain. The Gmail API interaction is all encapsulated here. Lastly, we have routes, which defines the application's routes. This module makes it easy for us to manage our endpoints and keep our code base clean. We will be using Express to handle these requests. So that's a quick overview of our project structure. We have our main application file, the email checking module, and the route definitions. This separation allows us to focus on specific tasks within each module and keeps our code base clean and maintainable. Let's get our application up and running. To do that, I will start the server by running npm run dev. As you can see, it executes the command and our server is running now. It's indicating that the server is up and listening to the port 8000. Now we are all set up. Our application is now live and ready to respond to emails when we are we are on vacation. It is as simple as that. Our Express.js application is running and waiting for incoming requests. Now that our application is up and running, it's time to see how it interacts with the Gmail API. So I have designed this application to automatically respond to incoming emails when we are on a vacation. And the Gmail API is a crucial part of making this happen. As you can see, we have already set up the Gmail API with our. So I will send a test email to our Gmail account. Our application will identify this email as unread and respond to it with an automated reply. So I'm sending a test email to my integrated Gmail. I've sent the email now. Now let's switch back to our terminal and we will monitor how our application handles this incoming test email. As you can see, I have implemented the set interval function to repeat this sequence of steps one with three random intervals of 45 to 120 seconds. So within that span of time, it will check and respond to the unread email. Till the time we can see the email which is sent right now. There you can see we got the email which is unread right now. Now, yep, got it. Now it sent the email to this to my email, and it is saying here send reply to email. Now let's check what we have got. Yeah, got it. We have got thank you for your message. This is an automated Gmail API response using Node.js, right? So I've demonstrated how this application operates in real time. It automatically checks incoming emails, sends automated reply, and even add labels to the emails to keep things organized. While our code is functional, but there is always room for improvement. So I have identified several areas that could be enhanced in the future. Our current code logs errors, but can benefit from more robust error handling to ensure an uninterrupted functionality. We can optimize our code to handle larger volumes. Second thing, of emails more efficiently in a priority for future improvements. Third, uh, we can configure user specific configuration, which will offer users the flexibility to customize auto reply settings and filters that would enhance our code's usability. And one more thing, currently we are using a random interval function. An enhancement can be the integration of a an enhancement can be the integration of a cron job package for better email task schedulings. So this is all. That's all from my side. Thank you.